Hey, my oil lab, welcome. I'm Dr. Jeff. This is my wife, Megan. If you're new, go to our website, myoillab.com, and download our free ebook. It's a top 20 protocol guide. Our master guide is also available there. But today is the focus blend, and I have a strong affinity to this blend because I just given my 3-year-old daughter, Tegan, a bath, went to get her pajamas, came back in the room just a few minutes later, and she was covered head to toe, shiny, with this incredible aroma coming off of her. And she had opened a brand new bottle of this blend. It's a roller, and she had rolled it all over her entire body and used the entire bottle in one sitting in about 3 minutes. And I always tell this story when people say essential oils are dangerous for children, because they're absolutely not. She would be dead if they were dangerous because she used the entire bottle. Now, let's get into the oil. So this blend is cool. It's a blend of sandalwood, amorous bark, lime, ylang ylang, frankincense, Roman chamomile, and patchouli, and has an incredible aroma. But the benefits when the molecules go into our bloodstream, into our brain, really have transformative power for our neurochemistry.
Yeah, so this blend helps in a couple different ways. It's very soothing and calming to your mind. It helps stop the constant racing thoughts and the clutter, and I like to say the chaos that just goes on inside of our head. And it also helps you stay focused. So when you're at task on hand, it's going to help you finish that task. If you're anything like me, I have a hamster wheel in my head, literally. And it just goes, and something pops up. Oh, I have to do this. Something pops up. Oh, I have to do this when I'm doing something else. So I never actually accomplish what I'm supposed to do. I use this focus blend and I can finish what I started. Now, it's wonderful for students who are studying for a test, who have an exam coming up, or just trying to get homework done, who have a hard time paying attention to what they're doing. Applying this focus blend on the back of their neck, their wrist, is going to help tremendously. It's wonderful for us adults when we're at work and we have to get, a deadline in. Put it on during work. It's going to help so much. Now, me cleaning the house, I get so distracted. I go from one room to the next, and then I see Mila's toys and her pajamas over here, and then I'm trying to do the laundry, and I never get it done, or the house stays a wreck. So I have learned to put this focus blend on even when I'm cleaning the house, and I get it done.
It's true.
It's awesome.
A few years ago, a woman reached out to us and told us the story. She had just gone to parent-teacher conferences for, I think her son was about 10 years old at the time. And the teacher said, the last 2 weeks, your son has been doing amazing. He's focused. He's doing great on his schoolwork. And she said, you must have put him on medications, because prior to that, he was just a wreck. Wasn't able to focus, wasn't able to get his work done, distracting the other students in class. And the mom actually said, well, about 2 weeks ago is when we started using essential oils on him, and it's made a world of difference. So if you have school-age children that are struggling, start using this focus blend before they go to school. If they're old enough, give it to them in their backpack, have them put it on again at lunch. And then even when they get home from school, if they have homework, put it on before they do their homework. And it's really going to help them get their schoolwork done very effectively. So thank you guys for watching the video today. If you have any stories or comments about the focus blend, please let us know. And questions, we love you guys. We'll talk to you in the next video.